Hi everyone, I'm Toby from Outside Science Inside Parks. If you've watched any of the series, you would have seen amazing young people involved in park science. Our next video shows how scientists at Fire Island National Seashore have used internships to find their place at the park. If you're interested in learning about these opportunities yourself, you can visit usajobs.gov and thesca.org.
Here on Long Island and on Fire Island, we really wanted to get a handle of what kind of bats, what species of bats we have, and whether we have the presence of white nose syndrome. We've recruited SCA interns, and they've been helping us with a lot of the fieldwork aspects of it. We had put a transmitter on one of the northern long-eared bats that we captured here at the William Floyd Estate, and the transmitter lasts for a little over 20 days. So we've been coming out every day and trying to track this one individual and try to get a good location for her. Okay, so signal looks strongest here.
We can radio transmit and find their roosts. That's a really good way to do bat counts. But we've actually misnetted on this actual road a couple months ago, and the majority of the bats we caught were northern long-eared bats. And so that was really exciting for us.
So we're going to start looking at some of the trees that we cut down in April, mostly pitch pines that were infected with southern pine beetle.
Southern pine beetle has the ability to devastate acres and acres of some of our pitch pine forest areas. We need to try to manage the southern pine beetle and save what trees we have left before we lose everything. So the idea of felling the trees is to both kill the larvae and disrupt the communications of the beetles so they cannot spread effectively. We got a fresh attack here.
I grew up watching Discovery Channel and Animal Planet, and I always knew that I wanted to be outside and kind of traveling and seeing different types of places. So I really have tried to find jobs where I can be outside and kind of in it.
So I started as an SA intern after I graduated college in 2006 here at Fire Island National Seashore. And working for the National Park Service, my passion for the Park Service just grew more and more. And that was my foot in the door. At a young age, I actually wanted to be a biologist working for the National Park Service. So sort of in my dream job, so to speak.
So this is around where this bat was yesterday, right? Mm-hmm. I was a SCA intern here at Fire Island National Seashore in 2005. For 4 months. So the value from that was really important for me with carrying that on, and I worked a few other seasonal jobs after that, but I kind of got hooked onto the National Park Service with that first internship. And so I feel since then with recruiting interns, and I really see the value of providing them with a great experience.
How cool is that? Like I said before, if you'd like to know more about jobs and internships, check online at thesca.org and usajobs.gov. And be sure to catch us next time as we dive for lionfish at Biscayne National Park.